Today we will look at the MOD 54mm clutch. This is version 2, so I don't know exactly what the differences are between version 1 and 2. Looks really nice. It has 8 shoes, a carbon fiber plate here, and a really nice machined out aluminum base. And as you can see, these shoes they come without any springs attached to them, otherwise they would spring back, of course. With the kit you have these little springs. They are 0-degree angle here, and this is the default one that comes with the clutch that will engage with at 8000 k RPM. You can get -10 and -20 degrees, so I think that means 9 or 10,000 K. So we need to start disassembling the clutch here to install the springs. When the shoes are removed, this is what's left here. This is how the base looks like. Here we have the half of the shoes assembled. It actually takes a little bit of time, but not too much. You have to be patient, and I hope you can see how the springs are wrapped around that part there. And now it's pretty hard actually to with my hand to unlock them, but yep, this is going to be good once it's all coming together here. So there you have it, all shoes, 8 shoes assembled. The last one was a little bit trickier, of course, but worked out pretty well. The only thing left to do now is to put back the carbon fiber plate here, and if I have the right hex it's easier, and just screw on 4 screws here. So there you have it, all assembled with springs and ready to go. It'll be interesting to see how this performs compared with the Audified clutch I have today, which I've been fairly happy with as well. But this is definitely a different kind of clutch, and looking forward to it. It's nice to have the option to be able to change between different springs for it to engage in different RPMs. And I know I said 8 and 9 and 10,000 K. Of course I meant 8, 9 and 10 K. Otherwise we would be talking about the millions here. The kit also came with 2 extra springs, always nice. Some of them, I don't know if you lose them or something. So looking forward to try this on.